Now here we will discuss how can we find out the square root of a complex number. So let z is equal to x plus iota y be a complex number, and we have to find square root of a complex number. So we suppose square root of x plus iota y is equal to a plus iota b, another complex number. So on squaring, we get x plus iota y is equal to a plus iota b whole square. This is our second step. First step is suppose under root of x plus iota y is equal to a plus iota b. Second step on squaring. We get this and we will solve the second step. That implies x plus iota y is equal to a square plus iota square b square plus 2ab iota. That gives x plus iota y is equal to a square minus b square as iota square is minus 1 plus 2ab iota. Now comparing real and imaginary parts. We get x is equal to a square minus b square and y is equal to 2ab. And we are familiar with the formula which we are going to use, that is a third step, that is x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square plus 2xy. Here we will replace x and y by a square and b square. So we get a square plus b square whole square is equal to a square minus b square whole square plus 4, that is 4 a square b square, that is 4xy, sorry, not 2xy, that is 4xy, 4a square b square. So from here we will substitute the value of a square minus b square, that is x square, give its name by 1 plus 2ab whole square is, that is y square. So from here if we see, we get a square plus b square is equal to under root of x square plus y square. That is the value of mod z. So in the questions we have to notice this step. We have to find a square plus b square is the mod z, that is the positive value. If we are going to take simple under root of that value, it will give plus minus, that will create problem. This is the value of mod z, and mod z is always positive. So we will take only positive value of a square plus b square and give its name as number 2. Now we will operate on equation 1 and equation 2 to get the value of a and b. Adding 1 and 2, that is we get 2a square is equal to mod z plus x. That gives a square is equal to mod z plus x over 2, and that gives a is equal to plus minus under root mod z plus x over 2, and subtracting one and 2, we get 2b square is equal to mod z minus x. That is, we get b square is equal to mod z minus x over 2. That gives b is equal to plus minus under root mod z minus x over 2. That is Therefore, square root of x plus eta y will be given as if y is greater than 0 and y is equal to 2ab. That implies a and b both are positive or a and b both are negative. So in this case, square root of under root, that is under root x plus eta y, will be plus minus value of a, that is mod z plus x over 2, and minus plus eta under root mod z minus x over 2. That gives either positive values of a and b or negative values of a and b. And as y is less than 0 and y is equal to 2ab implies either a positive and b negative or a negative and b positive. And this will convert under root, that is square root of x plus eta y, as plus minus under root mod z plus x over 2 minus eta under root mod z minus x over 2. That will create, if we take plus sign outside, a is positive and b is negative. And if we take minus sign outside, a is negative and b is positive. That is fulfills our requirement. So that is all about the square root of a complex number. So by using this article, we can find, by using direct formula to find out the square root of a complex number, by mentioning or by supposing this under root x plus eta y is equal to a plus eta b, and noticing that carefully y is 0 or whether y is greater than 0 or y is less than 0. So we notice that we get always two values of square root of a complex number. So by using this, we can easily find out the square root of a complex number very successfully by revising the questions and by revising the formula again and again. Now the problem based on square root. The first problem is find square root of under root 3 plus eta. We can do this problem in two ways, that is by using the whole criteria, how can we find out the square root, or by using direct formula. So first, in this case, we are going to use direct formula. How can we use direct formula to solve this problem? So the solution is, and in next problem we will learn how can we find out the square root of a complex number by using the article of to find square root of a complex number. So here let z is equal to under root 3 plus eta. So here x is equal to under root 3 and y is equal to eta. Then y is equal to 1, not eta into 1 is 1. So here mod z should be equal to under root x square plus y square, that is under root of under root 3 square plus 1, that is under root 4, that gives positive value 2. So mod z is 2. As y is greater than 0, therefore square root of under root 3 plus eta is plus minus under root mod z plus x over 2 plus eta under root mod z minus x over 2. That is plus minus under root 2 plus under root 3 over 2 plus iota under root 2 minus under root 3 over 2. So this is, looking wise, it is very complicated time. So we can resolve it. That is, we know that 2 plus root 3 can be written as, if you multiply and divide by 2, it becomes 4 plus 2 under root 3 over 2. That is, if we see, 4 can be written as 3 plus 1, that is 2 under root 3 over 2. That is again under root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 under root 3 over 2. So it can be written as under root 3 plus 1 whole square over 2. Similarly, 2 minus root 3 is equal to under root 3 minus 1 whole square over 2. So we can use these value in number 1. Therefore, number 1 becomes, that is, square root of under root 3 plus iota is equal to plus minus, we will replace 2 plus root 3 by under root 3 plus 1 whole square over 2 plus iota under root 3 minus 1 whole square over 2. So we can see here we get under root 3 plus 1 whole square over 4, that is 2 square, plus iota under root 3 minus 1 under root whole square over 2 square. That is, we get plus minus under root 3 plus 1 over 2 plus iota under root 3 minus 1 over 2. So if we see, square root of under root 3 plus iota is plus minus under root 3 plus 1 over 2 plus iota under root 3 minus 1 over 2. That is obtained by using the direct formula. Now in the second problem, we will use the method to find square root of a given complex number. So the second problem is, find square root of iota. So we have to find square root of this complex number. So we'll use here the way of article. So the solution is, let z is equal to iota, and we have to find square root of iota, that is, let it is a plus iota b. So on squaring, iota is equal to a plus iota b whole square. That iota is equal to a square minus b square plus iota 2ab. Now on comparing real and imaginary part, we get a square minus b square is equal to 0 and 2ab is equal to 1. So also we know that a square plus b square whole square is equal to a square minus b square whole square plus 4a square b square. That gives a square plus b square whole square is equal to 0 plus 1 square. As we know that a square plus b square under root of 0 plus 1, that is 1, because it is the value of mod z as described in the article to find square root of a complex number. So its number is 1, and the second equation a square minus b square is equal to 0 is number 2. So from adding 1 and 2, we get 2a square is equal to 1. That implies a square is equal to 1 over 2. That also implies a is equal to plus minus 1 over under 2. Similarly, subtracting 1 and 2, we get again 2b square is equal to 1. That gives b square is equal to 1 over 2. That again gives b is equal to plus minus 1 over under root 2. So, square root of eta is plus minus a plus eta b, that is 1 over root 2 plus eta 1 over root 2. So this is the easy way to find out the square root of a complex number by these two methods, by using the direct method or by using the article to find out the square root of a complex number.